In primetime news this evening, under the microscope, Penwood High School closed after staff member tests positive for COVID-19. Manchester lockdown, why a local representative believes it's the only answer to curtail the spike in COVID cases in that parish. And later, Health Minister rubbishes opposition claims about the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. Our question this evening: what additional measures should the government employ to help curb the spread of COVID-19 in Manchester and St. Anne? You can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can tweet us at televisionjam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.